Good afternoon, everyone. For today's stitch, the colored stitch wavy stitch. I think it's called wavy stitch. You have just to choose any base you need to do, circle or square or anything. For my project, I just started with a square base with a half double crochet stitch. On the corner I did double crochet, one stitch double crochet, then I work for one row with half double crochet, and I used a cotton yarn. It's called Taj. It's Indian cotton, but it's very beautiful and soft. So I used this cotton. Now we will start. For my project I used white and purple, and I think it's called white purple. So now we will start. I use my hook. It's 5 millimeter. We will just insert the hook in the next stitch, as we will do is a slip stitch. Okay, just to start the next row. Now I have a white stitch and two color. I will bring the other color and we will insert the hook in the next stitch. Okay, so we will insert the hook, then we will pull the third color and do the single crochet. And now we have the three color on first row. When you look in the back side, you will see you have three color. Every time you want to crochet a single crochet, you will take the first yarn in front of the other yarn and do a single crochet like this. Okay, now I will look what is the first color is white. I will just pull it in front of the other color and do a single crochet. Don't worry about your stitch if it's too loose, you will just correct it later. Okay, so single crochet like this. Again, you will look in the back and take the first color, the purple one, in front of the other color and make a single crochet just like that, and we will continue to the end of our first row. Again, here I pull the first color in front of my two other color and do a single crochet. Take the first color, which is a purple, and we will take it in front of the two other color and do a single crochet again. It's just like that. It's a very easy technique, but you will maybe see it's a difficult because all the yarn it's come in together. I promise you it will be a very beautiful stitch. Here I just finished my first row. See how it's become clear, a wavy colored, three colored. So I will continue in the stitch first stitch I have. It's the light purple, and I will take it in the front of the other two color and just insert my hook. It will be easy in first time, but it's okay. You will just learn how to lose your yarn a little bit just to make it easy for your work. Again, same technique and same pattern. Always you have to just take your first color in front of the other color, and you can use many color as you wish, like 5 or 6 hours as you like. It's up to you, or two color maybe. And this stitch is very beautiful when you use the t-shirt yarn. Okay, and continue the same pattern. Here I finished 4 rows, and it become clear how beautiful the pattern looks, and from inside there is nothing change. It's the same color every time, every stitch, white on white and purple on purple.